I'm about to go
in. Yeah, man. You're gonna fuck up the food, man. So the food sweet is.
Wanna like, share, comment, and follow me for more food adventures.
Let me show you that shit. Right
Oh,
there.
yeah. Let's look at the
Papaya.
Ooh. God.
We're going in. Happy Flag Day, by the way. Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, big up to all my Haitians, them. Happy Haitian Flag Day. Yeah, man, give it a stir. So if I go, man. Yeah, man, you want to try it? Danny, how it tastes to you?
Amazing, bro. Get a little.
Yeah, man.
It's a little bit.
For the sauce.
You already know.
Yeah, man, right on top.
Going in.
Yeah, man, I say for this.
Amazing, yo, it's amazing.
Oh. What plant it is with sauce.
So good, bro. We gotta shout out to the place for real.
CC's. Yeah, man, big up to CC's. Make sure
Shout
you
out
go
to CC's, bro.
Hills and North Lane Road in Orlando, Florida. Big up on the set. Alright, you want to try the drink next?
Casey.
Yeah, man, cheers.
Papaya.
Cheers.
Salud. Gracias. Buen appetit.
Yeah, bon appetit.
Oh shit! This is like cola champagne.
Yeah.
This tastes straight up like cola champagne, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I like reminds me of my home type shit.
Yeah, man, not nice. Yeah, man, go and fuck up your food.
Thank you.